on holidays. Sorry, I've been away from the computer and enjoying like kiddie fun stuff on this quick little week-long holiday or whatever. So I haven't been able to post a lot, but I want to tell you something I've been thinking about, and I think this is going to be interesting to you. And by the way, if you like this stuff, you're really going to love the Naked Trading class. You can go to Naked Trading class down here or up here. You'll find a link, and it's an on-demand class. You can watch it whenever you want. And it'll show you 3 ways to build an account rather quickly. Now, what we want to talk about here is why some traders make money and make big piles of money and other traders don't. I do believe that if you look at all, like for example, Warren Buffett is a classic, right? So Warren Buffett has a big pile of money, and most of the market participants don't have a lot of money. Some of them have lost, some of them have gained a little bit, most of them have lost a little bit or gained a little bit. Some of them have gained a lot, some of them have lost a lot. He's kind of the outlier, right? So you could say that he's just lucky. Once in a while, someone pulls the lucky straw and they get the big pile of cashola, right? You could say that. You could say that. I think that would be wrong, but that's what you might say. The other thing that you could say is that he gets paid for taking on risk when everybody else doesn't want to do it. And before you say, hey, wait, man, he's totally different. He's an investor. He's not a trader like we are as Forex traders. You know, we're kind of in and out of the market, or most of us are anyway. Usually my trades take days to get in and out of, but if you follow my trades, you probably know that. But the interesting thing about Buffett is, like, for example, during the GFC, he bought up Goldman Sachs. He basically went in and bought out Goldman Sachs when they were basically toast. He bought the company during the GFC. Everything went haywire. Nobody, there was no liquidity. There was no one could get any money to buy anything. He had some. Everyone wanted it. Everyone called him. Everyone wanted to be bought out by Warren Buffett. And he bought Goldman Sachs. And when did he buy it? He bought it when everyone was freaking out. And the same thing goes for trading. And this, if you've seen some of my other videos, you know that I love to define the trend as which percentage of our traders, our fellow retail Forex traders, are on the other side. So for example, as I'm recording this, a lot of retail traders are buying the Aussie USD. So I'm short Aussie USD. A lot of retail traders are selling the USD Swissy. So I am buying the USD against the Swissy, and so forth. All of those trades I'm in right now, who knows how they'll work out. But the reality of it is, the biggest payoff that you will make ever as a trader is when you go in when everyone else is scared. And like my first touch trade, maybe we'll do a video on this one, but my first touch trade is an excellent example of this. When the market goes really hard and it hits the support or resistance level, let's say it goes up and hits a resistance level, right? It hits a level and everyone's thinking, oh man, this is too scary. It's going to just keep going. If you sell there, right there at that point, where everyone thinks that this is just going to break out and keep going further and further and further, that's where the biggest payoff is. You can get away with a 20 pip, 30 pip, 40 pip stop loss there and make 5, 6, 7 times your risk if everything works out. You could also get blasted and get stopped out a couple times too. That happens as well. But the principle here applies, which is the principle is, if you want huge rewards, you must be willing to take a buy trade when everyone wants to sell. You must be willing to take a sell trade when everyone wants to buy. And that's really what trading is all about, in my estimation. I think it's one of the core principles and one of the reasons why you're a trader. You're a free thinker. You think for yourself. And if you'd like to learn more about building an account quickly, go down to nakedtradingclass.com. Where is it? Right there or up there? You'll find the link. I hope this has been helpful. Maybe next time we meet, we'll do a video on the first touch trade so you can see what that looks like. It's pretty cool stuff. I wish you happy trading, and we'll see you soon. Bye.